Okay, I had my surgery yesterday, and I'm pushing my, wait a minute, on this side, Cocoa Bean. She's so good. I think they saved my right leg yesterday, and you wouldn't believe how it felt to all of a sudden feel blood flowing through your leg again. So anyway, 24 hours later, I can't lift anything. There's a few things I can't do, but I'm determined to let my leg know that we now have blood flow. So the dog and I are going further than we've gone. And thank every doctor or nurse you ever meet. I had a team of maybe 8 people yesterday in the room with me, and I was their only concern. Just thank them.